So now we're showing the half moon pose with the back foot to the wall. So turn your front foot out so it's perpendicular to the wall and angle your back foot in. So you want to swing your back foot pigeon-toed and have one block for your down hand. You'll set that to the outside of your front foot. So then raise your right arm as we did in the opening, lengthen and then reach, reach, reach. You really want to elongate the underside chest. Now pause there. Your back foot should be making contact with the wall. And then look down, bend your front knee, position your standing foot, this right foot, firm to the floor, and then you have to launch your back foot up onto the wall. How far do you launch? Just go such that the leg is parallel to the floor, okay? And press the heel to the wall. The foot that's on the wall is parallel to the ground. Don't turn the toes up or spin them down. And then you have to press heel to wall and press the heel to the floor at the same time. That's where you get the power to turn. The way to turn your spine in the half moon is from the action of the legs. So you can bend your first standing leg, release the weight of the knee, and then re-extend your standing leg to get more vertical lift. Notice how the block is a little bit forward of the shoulder. Make sure the block isn't too tight underneath you. Once you've turned your spine, then stretch your arm up to the sky. So the equanimity is the equal extension of the back leg back and the spine forward. Okay? So then to exit, make sure you have enough strength to bend your right leg, reach the back leg back to the wall, push your back heel to the wall and come up in triangle pose, come out the way you came in. Okay, then we'll do the other side. Once again, press your back heel to the wall, stretch your back leg long, and orient your front foot, your front heel with the arch of your back foot right along the center of the mat. Then you can stretch your left arm to the sky, elongate your whole side waist, and then exhaling, come forward, bringing hand to the block. Pause there, take a breath, get ready for takeoff, and then you have to bend your front knee, look down, it's easier. Stabilize the weight over the front leg as you raise your back leg up onto the wall. Then press your heel to the wall. You have to have enough flexibility to be able to raise your back leg up parallel to the floor. You don't want it way down, and don't raise it way up. It's not higher, the higher the better. Don't try to take your leg above parallel. Push the foot into the wall. Open your standing toes down below. Press into your heel. And then we'll bend standing leg. This will help you vault your pelvis upward as you re-extend standing leg. And then turn your upper pelvis over your lower pelvis and stretch upper arm to sky. That's really how you find equanimity, is in the balance of the pelvis. So both legs active, and then you split your spine forward and your back leg back. That's a dynamic opposition. Use the block so you have stability on the wall, the floor, and the block. And then take your time. Make sure you have enough strength to step back to triangle. Try not to fall. It's going to compromise your hip. Come right back into triangle. And then we exit from there, pull and rise and come all the way up. So that's the half moon pose. Practice regularly. It's a fantastic pose. Namaste.